In this PaperGen AI review, I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about this freshly released AI software and why it's generating so much buzz. If you've been looking for an innovative AI solution, stick with me. By the end, you'll know if PaperGen AI is really worth the hype. And hey, if you're intrigued, you can try it for free through the first link in the description below. Let's start with the core functionality. PaperGen AI is designed to simplify content creation. Whether you're drafting blog posts, marketing copy, or even entire reports, this tool can generate text based on a few inputs, saving hours of manual work. It's built to assist writers, marketers, and business owners who need content quickly, but still want it to sound natural and professional. Now, what sets PaperGen apart from other AI tools? First, it uses an advanced natural language processing engine to ensure the text it produces is contextually accurate and flows smoothly. It doesn't just throw random words together like some other software. The output feels more like human-written content, which is a game changer when it comes to quality and readability. Second, the software is incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be an AI expert to get started. PaperGen has a simple, intuitive interface that makes it easy for anyone, regardless of their technical skill level, to start generating content right away. This makes it perfect for beginners or anyone new to AI tools. Another feature that's been getting a lot of attention is the customization options. PaperGen allows you to adjust the tone, style, and even the complexity of the content it generates. You can make your content sound professional, casual, or even humorous, depending on what your project needs. It's a highly flexible tool that adapts to your specific writing requirements. If you're concerned about the accuracy of the information, don't be. PaperGen is designed with deep learning algorithms that continually improve the more you use it. It learns your preferences and gets better over time, ensuring that the content you generate is not only high quality but also tailored to your needs. But let's talk about something that will make or break this for most people: pricing. The great thing about PaperGen is that it offers a free trial. Yes, you can try the software without any commitment or credit card details. It's the perfect way to test if this is the right tool for your content creation needs before diving into any paid plans. Now, something to keep in mind. While PaperGen AI is powerful, it's not flawless. You might encounter occasional errors or need to refine the output to suit your exact needs, but that's true with most AI tools, and PaperGen is still one of the more reliable options available right now. Finally, if you're someone who creates a lot of content and wants to scale quickly without sacrificing quality, PaperGen AI could be the game changer you're looking for. It's a great solution for digital marketers, writers, and business owners who need content fast and at scale. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and after testing PaperGen, it's clear it stands out as one of the most useful for content generation. If you're ready to give it a go, check out my recommended AI tools in the description below, which you can try for free. So, in conclusion, if you're wondering whether PaperGen AI is worth your time, the answer is clear. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this AI tool is a solid option for streamlining content creation. Make sure to grab your free trial through the link below, and happy content creating.